How do I customize MediOffice documents? If we select, for example, this medical certificate, and wait for it to load the preview, we can see that this document already inserts certain fields of the patient by default, such as their first and last name, as well as their identification number, and age, including their diagnosis and the date since they are treated, as well as this letterhead with our data as a doctor. But, if we want to make some aesthetic modifications to this document, or even add more combined fields that allow you to insert information automatically, we can select it and we can edit it directly, or we can create a copy to edit it. Let's create a copy using this duplicate template button. And now we're going to use the Edit Template button. This is going to take our template to Microsoft Word, where we can completely modify it. If we want, for example, to add an additional field, where this patient's phone number is also inserted, we can write here, telephone. And to insert a combined field, what we must do is go to the Mailing tab within Word, and use the Insert Combined Field button. It will display the list of combined fields, that are the ones that communicate with MediOffice to bring the information. As in this case, what we are interested in is the patient's phone number. We are going to look for the field, patient phone. And this way it is inserted within the template. Let's say that in addition to that, we also want, inside our letterhead, to insert the name of the medical institution. So we're going to add a line here. Again we go to Insert Combined Field, and in this case we're going to search for, Doctor Institution. If we also want to modify some aesthetic characteristic of the document, such as this text, change the color to a grayer tone, for example, we can also do it. And once we have the modifications ready, we will proceed to save the changes and close the document. As we can see in the preview, the document already has the modifications that we have just made. We can go to print this document directly. And here we can see the final result that contains the mentioned modifications, such as automatically inserting the institution and the patient's phone. If what you want instead is to insert a format, a document, that was already used previously in the consultation, you can do it through this button located at the top that says, Import Template, and you can insert the fields in this document the same way we already did.